Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the fly-in animation in Explaindio 4.0. So I've got a project open here with a few scenes. In a previous video, I showed you this example to showcase the sketch by hand animation, but in Explaindio there are so many more animation options, and I'm going to show you an alternate way to animate this scene using the fly-in animation. So I've got the same scene here, but I've removed all these sketch animations and we'll use the fly-in animation to animate the scene a bit differently. Let me drop down this first entry using the little black arrow, and I'm going to click this area, choose fly, and then fly in, and as you can see, this is what the animation looks like. First I'm going to adjust the slider to 1 second, so the animation is faster. Next, if I go to the Effects tab, you'll see all these direction options. The default is to animate from the bottom, so I like to change it to animate from the top, like so. Next, I'll go ahead and apply the fly-in animation to all the rest of the SVG images and text and adjust these sliders, like so. And then I'll adjust the direction for all the elements to animate from different directions, like so. And now if you do a quick scene preview, you'll see what the animation looks like. It's just another way to animate the scene. Here's a scene that I created to showcase the fly out animation. Let me move it up front. And let me show you the setup of the timeline. As you can see, I've got 3 text boxes. Each one is set to fly in and then fly out one after the other. So if we do a quick scene preview, you'll see how it animates in sequence as the first text flies in and then flies out, while the next text flies in, and so on. Here's another example in which we use the sketch by hand animation in the previous video. So let's use the fly-in by hand animation. I'll change the sketch by hand animation in the timeline. I'll click this edit button, choose fly in, and then fly in by hand, like so. In the Effects tab, you can use the Set Hand button and choose a different hand from the Drag Hands gallery if you want to. And let's do a quick preview to see what the animation looks like. So these are some of the ways to use the fly-in animation, but you can use your creativity to do so much more. Well, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.